Start by filling the clean water tank for a fresh cleaning session. Ensure optimal performance by emptying and rinsing the dirty water from the recovery tank. Maintain efficiency with a clean filter. Before every operation, make sure to clean the squeegee and brush to maintain optimal cleaning performance and flawless operation. The brush and squeegee can be easily taken out for cleaning or maintenance purposes. Clean the brush thoroughly and replace if necessary. Keep your squeegee spotless for streak-free results. Replace if needed. Slide the cleaned module back in the botic. No tools required for maintenance.